Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to reset your iPhone or transfer it or do whatever you need to do on your iPhone. So all you want to do is head over to your settings on your phone. You then want to scroll down and find General. Once you're here, you want to scroll down even more. And then at the very bottom, it's going to say Transfer or Reset iPhone. Go ahead and select that. So once you're at this page, it will say prepare for your new iPhone, make sure everything's ready to transfer to a new phone, even if you don't currently have enough iCloud storage to back it up. So if you're trying to transfer everything to a new phone, go and select get started. If you want to reset your phone, you want to click the reset button at the very bottom of the screen. But also if you want to erase all the content and settings on your phone so everything just be wiped, you go and select that. But that's how you erase your iPhone settings. I hope this video did help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. I just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.